Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to bring you guys along today because I am going to get some tattoos. I've got a fun event tonight and I want to do, or start at least, to do a little closet clean out. So I figured today would be a fun day in my life. So I just did like the lightest, littlest bit of makeup, put on a tiny bit of lip liner, some fake freckles, and that's it because I'm gonna have to do my makeup later today to go to an event tonight. I'm going to see Guys and Dolls. Matt and I are going to Musicalfare. I'm doing a little collaboration with them by going and seeing the show and making some stories and doing a carousel post and a reel post for them. So Matt and I are excited to go see the show tonight. And since I'm gonna do my makeup for that, I was like, you know what, I don't wanna do a full face of makeup this early in the day. It's only 10:25. Since the show tonight is at 7 p.m. and we're gonna wanna get there at like 6:45-ish, I was like, it's way too early to do a full face of makeup since I'm gonna be made up later. So did a little bit and I am going to finish my athletic greens and then make a quick little toast, a little something for breakfast so that I have a little bit of food in my body when I go to get my tattoos, because the plan is my little stars on my ring finger, they desperately need a touch up.
So I'm gonna get those touched up. I'm gonna get a little something on my pinky.
And I also think I'm gonna get a little something on the side
of my finger.
So honestly, probably like right there. I don't want it to compete with my rings. So I'm wearing my rings to the appointment so Mel and I can like kind of map out where the little tattoos are gonna go. I'm just so excited. It's gonna feel so good to get my stars touched up because I've really been...
It's been bugging me. Every time I see them, I'm like, oh!
A few of the little specks on the stars have just faded completely, like they're gone. They're invisible now, so.
It'll feel good to get that touched up.
It's a beautiful day out. I need to go to the pharmacy to pick up a prescription after getting my tattoos. So yeah.
We've got a lot planned for the day.
And I'm excited to bring you along. It's so cute and festive in here.
Right?
Yeah.
The first day I came back, when I walked in, I was so, because like in my head it's still summer. And
Yep,
it will be
me too.
summer for the next like 4 months. And I walked in and I saw the Halloween and I was like, and I was like, what bought? Like what? Like it just didn't make sense to me at all. And so I'm like, Dan, we gotta go. Like we can't finish this crawl. And he was like, okay, like where is she? And I asked the guy to like drop the location for me. He was like, you guys are Bosnian? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, we would have never known.
That's so
She was
funny.
speaking English the whole time. And then this is the cutest thing ever. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. It's adorable. I'm gonna do a quick little pass on a few of those guys.
Perfect. I didn't know if the flower needed anything. I feel like it looks really good. I didn't know if maybe the outline of it or anything, but I was gonna leave it up to you.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh my god, it's so cute. So I am home from my tattoo appointment with Mel. She did such a good job as always. So let me show you the 2 new tattoos that I got. So I got this little baby heart cluster. Oh my god, how freaking cute. Tiny, tiny, tiny little hearts on the inside of my finger. So you like literally would not be able to see it unless you like really looked. She touched up my lily.
Let's wait for the camera to focus here on my hand. Okay.
She touched up my stars, which are looking so good. And I got this little baby on my pinky. How good does it look? Oh, I just think this hand looks so good now. I'm just so happy. Mel is the best. The pinky spot was definitely spicy. Like it stung a little bit because of how close it is.
It's like at the way top.
Of my pinky, as you can see. So yeah, definitely stung a little bit, as did the inside of my finger, but I love them both so much. I'm so happy. And I also went and picked up my prescription, so that was really good. And now, next on the docket, I have a few things. I was just actually answering some client emails and I want to
take some time to edit my vlog
that I'm working on. I also have
a video that I want to edit on my phone.
And I also want to do a little bit of
Closet cleansing. I want to start going through
at least just my dresser. I've started to go through, I've been throwing out old like underwear, just like socks, things that I'm no longer using at all that are just taking up space. And I want to go through my t-shirts and like tank tops today.
and just do like a little audit and
Organize them as well. That'll feel so freaking good. Even just doing the dresser, honestly, will feel like a major win. So
now I'm like, do I want to do that first? Do I want to edit the videos first?
I think I'm gonna just do the closet because there's no time like the present.
I'm gonna grab my tripod and we're gonna head
To the bedroom so I can do this closet reorganization. Okay,
project.
closet cleanse has commenced.
Oh, the lighting is terrible.
So basically I want to empty out everything and go through everything, see what I can get rid of.
What I'm gonna keep.
Oh, it's gonna feel so good. Everything is organized now. I have tank tops exclusively in this drawer. So we have all my whites and then all my blacks. Then I've got some tans, one green, two blues, one purple, and then all the grays. And then this is just a stack of exclusively
Super soft parade.
brand t-shirts. So literally 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all just different solid colors.
That is that drawer.
This drawer is all, this pile is long sleeves, and then this is a little black blouse, and then these are all t-shirts. So we have 2 blacks, and then the rest of the blacks, and then other solid colors. So blue, green, tan, and then grays. And then I've got all of my whites there.
And then these are like
Graphic,
tank tops and t-shirts. So
just different graphic tees. This is a black one with flowers, but then the rest of this pile is all gray. These are just a bunch of graphic tank tops, and then this is a bunch of graphic tees, and the top ones are like super soft, and then the bottom ones are kind of like nostalgic. Like
this is a shirt my dad made for our family.
this is a shirt from the University of Buffalo that they literally just gave me for volunteering at the picnic, so just in case I like need to keep that. Oh no,
Oh my god, my little pinky tattoo thing just rolled up.
that's what's so hard about finger tattoos. We use our fingers all the time.
And these little stickers.
That my tattoo artist puts on to obviously protect the tattoo. They just roll up so quickly.
Okay,
Well,
I'm gonna have to try and keep it like that for
the next few days so that it can heal and set properly.
so anyway.
That's my little clothing reorganization, my little clothing drawer tour.
And we've got 3
Shirts to donate for now. I honestly could probably go through and get rid of a few more, which I will do at another date, but I wanted to at least just like reorganize things and get it all a little bit more organized so that I know where every single thing is. It had become a mess over the last few months of just like mixing up my tank tops, mixing up all the colors and everything, so that feels so good. Okay, now that I
did my closet, now I'm like on a productive streak and I want to like,
get other important things done.
so I'm walking around looking for my phone,
I have no idea where I left it. Classic, I do this all the time.
but I want to edit my,
Oh, it's literally sitting on the kitchen table. I'm such a dumbass.
I'm gonna edit this video now.
That is also dirty.
The stink man's back.
Big man Magoo, you left because your fart was so bad. Hi, Sleepy, big yawn. So,
Fun little mail moment, I got my Converse in.
I've been wanting black high top Converse for a while now, so we need to get a thumbnail. Wait, we gotta go for better lighting. But I also got a freaking pair in like beige, like tan, and I'm freaking obsessed with them. Ah, I'm so excited. Here they are. I still need to put the other
beige one on.
They're always so squeaky at first, which is like so freaking annoying. But here they are. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't even fully looked in the mirror yet, so I'm gonna look at those and then put my black ones on. Matt's having FOMO right now. He was just saying.
Because of my
New Converse. So these are awesome. These are like even better. I am
freaking obsessed
with the black. Oh my God. They look so good. They're just so freaking classic. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I am all dressed and ready for the theater. I realize I have not done a great job at vlogging
this afternoon.
I was thinking I'd maybe bring the camera to the show.
But it doesn't really make sense because
I'm gonna be taking footage for Instagram specifically, and I don't wanna just leave the camera in a hot car. So I will show you the outfit and then we'll
report back and tell you about the show
at the end of the night. But this is the outfit. I'm wearing my off-white JW Pie bag. I'm wearing this sage green dress. It goes to like the mid-calf, which is really nice. I really love the length of it.
And I'm wearing these little
Off-white, so it goes with the bag. Sandals, tiny little heel. These are from Target. Ooh. Aggressive. I got these last year. So yeah, this is the final look of the night.
This shirt color be better?
Yeah. And I'm gonna grab a little thumbnail, and then I'm gonna eat a little pasta, shovel pasta down my throat before we go. Pasta time.
pro tip.
If you are getting ready, if you're going out, always have some kind of a button up or zip up that you can throw over your outfit. So that if you decide to eat a little bit like I'm about to do, you don't have to worry about staining anything. We are back from the theater.
It was so much fun.
It was a really, really good show. I thoroughly
enjoyed it.
It is almost 10 p.m. I'm doing like, ooh, sorry, Goody. Doing all my nighttime things. I've got a little shadow. Hi, are you so happy that we're home? Oh, you're still wagging? Are you still wagging because we're home? He's just so happy that we're home. Oh, you're looking at the camera. So yeah, I need to plug in my spare charger that I brought with me, which totally saved me
Having a little
extra battery.
It was just so much fun though. The show was great.
I'm just always amazed by the production value for a small local theater. It's an incredible
Production value. Like,
the costumes are so good. The performance is just so good. It's a really, really great date night. I highly recommend if you're looking for a fun way to just like do something a little bit different with your partner, doing a theater night, date night
is such a good idea. And Musicalfare has a whole bunch of shows
coming up. They have Guys and Dolls running until October. Then they've got Legally Blonde. There is like the Carole King show. There's a whole big lineup. Definitely recommend checking out their website. They've got so many things and it was a really, really fun time. So I am going to take my jean jacket off,
put my dress away, get changed into comfy clothes, take my makeup off.
all the things. So if you enjoyed this day in the life video where I went to the theater, got all ready, did a closet clean, got tattoos, hit the thumbs up and be sure to stay tuned and subscribe for the next one. And I'll see you guys then.